Hello everyone. In the continuation of previous lecture in which we have learned the computation of effort and duration with the help of basic COCOMO model. So in this lecture I am going to continue the second COCOMO model, that is known as a intermediate COCOMO model. So this is your second intermediate COCOMO model. And now this intermediate COCOMO model will be applied again to three type of projects: organic mode, semi-detached mode and embedded mode. And the coefficients A, B, C, D will be different from the basic model. So now there is intermediate model which will have the cost drivers. So there are 15 cost drivers. With the help of these cost drivers, first we will compute the effort adjustment factor, EAF, and after that we will compute the effort and duration or development time. So what are these 15 cost drivers? So first category is product attributes. So these attributes are totally related to the product. So what about the reliability? What is the size of application database? What is the complexity of the product? Then hardware attributes. What will be the runtime performance constraints? What are the memory constraints? What are the virtual machine volatility? What is the turnaround time? Third, personal attributes, that is related to whatever the manpower involved in the development of the software. So there is the analyst capability. If there is a person who will analyze, so what will be the capability? Programmer capability, the application experience, whether the software developer have worked already with the same type of project or not, virtual machine experience, and programming language experience, how much he or she is expert in programming language. Then project attributes, that is the modern programming practices, use of software tools, required development schedule. So these are your basic 15 cost drivers which will help us to compute the effort adjustment factor. So you will have this table multipliers of different cost drivers where ratings are given for each and every attribute. So if you talk about the product attributes, reliability, data storage, complexity, so these are the value according to very low complexity. If we talk about the complexity, this is a very low complexity, value is 0.7, and for the low complexity 0.85, for the nominal complexity 1.0, high complexity 1.15, very high complexity 1.30, and extra high complexity there is a 1.65. so this is the rating provided to each and every attribute. Each and every cost drivers will be which will be used to estimate the effort adjustment factor. So one thing is important that I will discuss in the numerical. So there is a 5 personal attributes, and these personal attributes are having the different values according to very low, low, nominal, high, very high, and there is nothing extra high. Okay, so like this we talk about the language experience. What kind of language experience of that personal having who are going to involve at the development of the software. So that may be very low 1.14, low 1.07, nominal 1.00, and high 0.95. There is nothing very high and extra high. The same if we talk about the application experience, how much experience he or she is having related to such type of application development or project development. So there is a very low value 1.29, low is 1.13, nominal 1, high 0.91, very high 0.82. So now come to the intermediate COCOMO model equations. Now there is a change. The effort will be computed with the help of effort adjustment factor as well as the formula A, 1000 lines of code to power B, and duration will depend on your effort. So C, effort to power D. Now this is one new table which will have the different coefficients of A, B, C, D for intermediate type of project, intermediate type of model, where this intermediate COCOMO model will have three type of projects: organic, semi-detached, and embedded. So whatever the category you are having, On the basis of that category, you will apply the value of A and B for the effort computation and C and D for the duration or development time computation. So now we take the one question, a new project with estimated 400,000 lines of code, embedded system has to be developed. Now there is a given already, you have to develop an embedded system, and project manager has a choice of hiring from two pools of developers. Now there is a recruitment process. So what will be the uh, computation cost in terms of effort and duration? So very highly capable with very little experience in programming language being used. So how we will find out the EAF? So how you will decide very little experience? So you will go, this is the language experience. L is referring to language and EXP means experience. This is the row for specifically language experience. So here what is the experience? Very little experience means very low experience, so you will take the 1.14 for first case. And what will be the very highly capable? Very highly capable means these are the people who are very expert to develop such type of a project, embedded type of systems. So they will go for the application experience. Don't be confused that programming capability, it is not talking about the programming capability. The question is talking about the application experience. The meaning is here, what we are going to have here. We are saying this is the project embedded system and they are highly capable, means they are having the good experience related to this embedded type of projects. So here we will take AEXP, that will give you the 0.82. So EAF will be computed for the case first 0.82 into 1.14. okay, so in this case you will get, and after that you will apply for the second one, developers of low quality but a lot of experience with programming language. So programming language, again we come to here, language experience is much more, so the value will be 0.95. but in case of developers of low quality means again they are not having the experience related to the embedded system development, so they will go for 1.29 for the second case. So two type of people are there, which one will give you the more effort and take less time? So let's see. Here, this is the case of embedded mode and model is intermediate COCOMO. So we have already categorized. We are learning the intermediate model, and under the intermediate model, we are going to solve the effort. We are going to compute the effort and duration for the embedded mode type of project. So first you will have the E equal to AI KLOC to power D. So that you can compute easily. 2.8 you can take from here embedded, and 1.20 you can take for the B. You can put here a number of lines of code is given, so you will get the 3712 person month. Now this is not complete. For the second case, how you will complete? So first you have to estimate the EAF. This is a general effort we have computed. Okay, now developers are very highly capable, I told you already, with very little experience in programming language. So very little experience, you will take the 1.14 for effort adjustment factor. So you will multiply both 1.14, and developers are very highly capable. Highly capable means they are highly capable, they are having too much experience to develop embedded type projects. So they will go in application experience, they have the good application experience. So there is a 0.82, very high experience. Okay, so that you will multiply 0.82 by 1.14, you will get the EAF. Now exact formula of effort will be the previous effort, means AI KLOC to power D into EAF. So here you will put the EAF that you have computed here. So whatever the previous effort you have computed, that E will be multiplied by EAF, then you will get the total effort 3470 person month. And now if you have computed the effort, then this value will be put in the formula of development time. So there will be 3470, and from where you will take the value, so that value you will take from the development, that is the C value 2.5 and D value 0.32. So with the help of this one you will compute the 33.9 months. So for the case second, developers are of low quality. I have talked about, they have very low experience related to the embedded type projects. So that we will again go the experience related to your application experience. So that is very low. You will take the 1.29, and lot of experience with the programming language. So this is the experience related to language. So that is 0.95. This is very high. Okay, this is high. So you will multiply EAF 1.29 with 0.95. You will get the EAF 1.22. Now again you have to compute the E. So E you have computed already, where you can see here we have computed already the E, or directly you can put the formula here, 3712 into 1.22. So we are getting 4528 person month, and D equal to 2.5, that you are taking from the table, again 2.5 and 0.32. So you will compute the 36.9 months. So if we talk about the effort and duration, here we are taking the more duration. So there is a one conclusion, case second requires more effort and time. So it is not very good. Hence low quality developers with lot of programming language experience could not match with the performance very highly capable developers with very little experience. It means what? You can find out those people who are having the good experience or high experience in that type of project, they can develop in less effort and less duration. Okay, so this is one example that I have explained here, and I have finished here intermediate COCOMO model. So in the next lecture I will discuss about the next COCOMO model. Thank you all. Keep learning.